Alright, so here I have opened the modular exam for review, and here I have the first exercise which says use the properties of logarithms to evaluate each of the following expressions. For this exercise, there is an important property of logarithms that you need to know before, and it's that whenever you have the logarithm of, say, base 10 of 10, you can cancel them out because the base here is the same as the number here. And in that case, the answer is going to be 1, because here is a 1 that we usually don't write, but there is 1. Or, for example, if you have a logarithm base 3 of 3 to the 5, the answer is going to be 5, because this logarithm base 3 is going to be cancelled with this number 3. Or if you say you have a logarithm base e of e to the second power, that's going to be 2, because you're going to cancel this with this one, okay? And also remember that we usually don't write log base e. Instead, we prefer to write natural logarithm, just for short. So, knowing this, we can go and solve this exercise. For letter A, we have 2 times the natural logarithm of e to the 7 plus natural logarithm of e to the 4, which, based on the previous property, we know that we can cancel out this, this and this. And we can also cancel this with this. So we're gonna be left out with 2 times 7 plus 4. In this case here, I don't have any numbers, so I'm not multiplying 4 to anything. I'm just multiplying the 7 by a 2, because there was a 2, but here I don't have any, so I just continue to do the operation. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 4, that's gonna be 18. So the answer for this first exercise is that, 18. Let us write that here, 18. Alright? Now, second exercise. It's pretty similar, but not exactly the same. For that exercise, we need to remember another rule of logarithms that tells us whenever we have the subtraction of 2 logarithms which are in the same base, in this case the base is number 6, we can rewrite that as the division of a single logarithm of 3 over 18. All I did here was take this number and put it into the same logarithm here. Alright? That's all I have to know. And that is a property of logarithms that tells us that whenever we have the subtraction of 2 logarithms, we can simplify that as just one single logarithm, but as a quotient. And we can simplify this, of course. We know that 3 over 18 is the same as 1 over 6. And now all we have to do is think. Think of a number that when I take the base 6, there's going to be a number x that I don't know. That is going to give me 1 over 6. And what is that number? If you think closely, that number is minus 1. Because whenever I have 6 to the minus 1, the answer is 1 over 6. So that is the answer to the second exercise. Let's write that here, 1 over... No. The answer is minus 1. The number x, which is the exponent, is number minus 1. So the answer is minus 1. Let us check that 1. Here, check. Yeah, and that's correct.